Hey guys, SketchUp 2026 features breakthroughs in performance and smart design tools. Are you excited to experience the latest features but don't know where to start? In today's video, I will guide you through a detailed step-by-step process on how to download and install SketchUp 2026. Let's get started. First off, open your browser and search for SketchUp 2026 Download on Google. Click on the first result, which should take you to the official SketchUp website. You'll see installation files for both Mac OS and Windows here. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to download the offline installer for Windows. Wait a few moments for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the setup file to begin the installation process. Now, simply hit the Install button to move forward to the next step. Now that it's installed, let's sign up for an account. I'll use my Google account to register. Follow my lead. After a successful registration, we'll switch over to SketchUp to verify the access.
Last step, we're going to update the system with these two files.
And now, let's try installing some SketchUp plugins to see how they work. I have a video on my channel showing how to add SketchUp plugins, so feel free to check it out. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.